Holland, and this is Physics 101 in pajamas. Today we are going to be talking about Newton's first, second, and third laws. As my homie Sir Isaac Newton states, in his first law, every object continues on a state of rest or motion in a straight line at a constant speed unless it is compelled to change that state by a force exerted upon it. Let me show you an example. These girls are driving to the beach a few minutes down the road.
Let's go to the beach, let's go get a wave. They.
Ooh, that was a forceful hit. Because of inertia, the girls continued to stay in motion after the truck stopped. If only they had paid attention in physics. Newton's second law states that acceleration produced by a net force on an object is directly proportional to the magnitude of the net force, is in the same direction as the net force, and is inversely proportional to the mass of the object. This can all be simplified into one equation. Force equals mass times acceleration. Let me show you an example. With two people on a tricycle, the mass is greater, so you need a greater force to move the tricycle. With one person, there is less mass, so it's easier to accelerate, and you need less force to move the object. Next, we're going to cover Newton's third law. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This means for every interaction, there is a pair of equal forces acting in opposite directions. Here's an example. In today's match, we have MG Chunker versus ODU! Ding's face took a hard hit from Chunker's face. Chunker's elbow had a solid blow to Ding's foot. Chunker's stomach just wiped Ding out. 3, 2, 1, and the winner is Chunker! Because of Newton's third law, when Ding's fist hits Chunker's face hits Ding's fist. This may seem backwards to you, but speaking in terms of physics, it is correct. When the fist exerts a force on the face exerts an equal force on the fist. These forces are in opposite direction. I'm Professor Hella Holland, and this has been Physics 101 in pajamas, sort of. Thanks for joining us this week. Make sure to join us next week when we interview my homie Sir Isaac Newton.
It's late in the evening, glass on the side. I've been sad with you for most of the night, ignoring everybody here. We wish they would disappear, so maybe we could get down now. I don't wanna know if you're getting ahead of the program, or know.
Versus
If you love me, come on, get involved. Till it's rushing through you from your head to toe.
Chunker's elbow hit and a hard hit. Chunker's elbow had a hard blow for things. What?
This love is a blaze, I saw flames on the side of the stage. And the fire brigade comes in a couple of days. Until then we got nothing to say and nothing to know, but something to drink and maybe something to smoke. Let it go until our roads are changed. Singing we found love in a local rave. No, I don't really know what I'm supposed to say, but I can just figure it out and hope and pray. I told her my name, I said it's nice to meet you. Then she handed me a bottle of water filled with tequila. I already know she's a keeper, just from this one small act of kindness. I'm in deep. If anybody finds out, I meant to drive home, but I don't go live it now. No, sobering up, we just sit on the couch. One thing led to another, nice kiss on my mouth.
This means for every interaction, there is a pair of forces acting in equal amounts. Shoot, that's not right either. This means for every interaction, there is a pair of forces, is equal forces, in acting in opposite directions.
Paige, you do nothing.
Here's an example. Here's an example. Here's an example. I think we need to do that again. I'm just gonna record more.
Stop chasing safety!